Your online privacy matters more than ever. If you're tired of your personal information sitting on unknown websites, then you are in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to permanently remove your data from any website which is keeping your data without your consent. All you need is to watch this video to the end and protect your privacy. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If today is your first time coming across this video, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment after watching this video. Lastly, hit the bell notification to get notified on newly uploaded videos from this channel. Let's get started. Open your Chrome browser and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Then scroll down until you get to Site Settings and click on it. Scroll down again until you get to this Data Stored option and click on it. After clicking on it, you will see plenty of websites which you have visited and storing your data secretly, which you don't know. And in order to delete your data from these websites, just click on any of them. Then, tap on this option. And finally, click here to delete your data from the website. Repeat the same process to delete all your data from the remaining websites to protect your privacy on the online space. If you have watched the video to this far, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified on newly uploaded videos from this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.